Hey, what's up, fam? If you thought ChatGPT was the only big player in the AI game, think again. There's a new contender in town, DeepSeek AI. It's cheaper, faster, and just as powerful, or maybe even better. But there's a catch. DeepSeek comes from China, and it's raising a ton of questions about privacy, security, and what this means for the future of AI. Let's unpack it all. What DeepSeek does, why it's blowing up, and whether you should jump on the bandwagon or stay far, far away. So, what exactly is DeepSeek AI? Think of it as ChatGPT's scrappy little sibling that grew up fast. DeepSeek is an open source AI model developed by a Chinese startup. Here's why everyone's talking about it: it's free, no subscription fees. You can use DeepSeek for free, unlike ChatGPT, which charges for advanced features. It's efficient. DeepSeek's R1 model costs 2050x less to operate than OpenAI's equivalent models. It's open source. Developers love this because it's customizable and accessible for almost anyone to tweak and optimize. But here's what's really wild. It became the #1 free app on the Apple Store in just a week. People are flocking to it, and it's already shaking up the AI landscape. DeepSeek isn't just a cheaper version of ChatGPT, it brings some serious firepower, speed. DeepSeek's R1 model processes queries faster than most of its rivals, clocking in at 60 tokens per second. Versatility: it can handle text, audio, video, and images like a pro. Advanced reasoning: the R1 model explains its thought process step by step, which is a game changer for complex tasks. Basically, it's giving all the big names, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Claude, a run for their money. But with great power comes great skepticism. Here's where things get dicey. DeepSeek is Chinese owned, and that raises red flags for a lot of people. Data concerns. Anything you share with DeepSeek could potentially be accessed by the Chinese government. Censorship: don't expect answers on sensitive topics like Tiananmen Square or political dissent. It actively avoids them. Trust issues: in a post TikTok world, can we really trust a Chinese company with our data? This isn't just an AI tool, it's part of a larger conversation about global tech dominance, privacy, and ethics. Now, the $1 million question: is DeepSeek worth your time? Yes, if you're a content creator, developer, or small business owner looking for budget friendly AI solutions. Maybe if you're cautious about data privacy and only plan to use it for non sensitive tasks. Know if security and transparency are deal breakers for you. DeepSeek AI is like that new kid in school, super talented but a little sketchy. It's proving that you don't need billions of dollars to compete in the AI game, but it's also reminding us to think critically about who we trust with our data. So, what's your take? Is DeepSeek the next big thing, or is it too risky? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI updates. Stay smart, stay curious, and secure the bag.